Alright, Arcane Oddysey Sand Magic progression video. Now, as sad as it is, I am not schizophrenic and I'm not mentally gone yet, like for example HW. So I don't really talk all that much when I do this type of recordings, so I'm sorry that it's going to be quite a dry video. Now, originally, I was just doing the video for grinding something, just to sink hours into something, since that's what people seem to like. I didn't really have a goal in mind. I just said, oh, I'm gonna do sand magic progression, sand conjurer, cause why not? Cause I like magic, I like sand, chocolate from One Piece. But I didn't really have an idea of what to do. Now I do. So I at the first part of this video, which is like should be like 5-6 minutes. I don't want to make this too long. It's just me doing whatever, and then I get to the actual goals, which is trying to get deckhands, a quartermaster, hiring a crew, and getting to a better level, like 20-30. And then the last goal that I had for this video was to complete the boxing quest that requires you to kill, or well, defeat a couple of pirates, which as a low level with sand, kinda challenging. That's why I wanted to do it. Now, yes, I know it's a little harder to land M1s on pirates, but it's still very easy if you have melee options. And remember, it's a very early game Conjurer, so it means we don't really have good weapons, and if we mess up and, for example, get blocked, we M1 and we get blocked, or we get parried, we're fighting like possibly a big ship. Like there's at least going to be 5, 6, 7 guys, and one of them is going to be a captain, and they're going to be like twice our level. So you can imagine where it's going to end if you stand still for a little longer. And you have to consider that we're fighting on the ocean, and there's not much land, and it's not going to be hot temperatures, which means, yeah, sand is not going to deal that much damage, even if it has a heat modifier that deals more damage if someone's, in hot weather. But it's the ocean, and yeah, it's supposed to be hard. Okay, so that's why I decided to do it. Now let's get to the actual journey to be able to do this quest. Here I find a worthy deckhand that gives us defense, which is pretty important for ships, and I tend to always take defense deckhands. And here immediately after I find another defense deckhand, so that's quite lucky for me. And I'm basically done getting deckhands now, because caravels can only carry 2. here we talked to Edward Kenton, because I chose him to be the quartermaster instead of any sword, and I'm not grabbing any sword because he mage, kinda boring. Yeah, I know this slot is a conjurer, but it makes sense, okay? And I'd rather do the 20 fish quest thingy than have to do 3 fetch quests. That's pretty annoying. So yeah. Hold on, I have a better song for this part.